Hi everybody, this is Dash. Dash is a prehensile-tailed skink. He is part of our animal ambassador family here at SeaWorld of Orlando. Mr. Dash is only 4 years old. He was actually born right here at SeaWorld. So the prehensile-tailed skink is found in a very small region of the world on the Solomon Islands off the coast of Australia. They are threatened because of habitat destruction. So SeaWorld takes part in what's called SSP programs, which are species survival plans. It's in conjunction with zoos across the country. We help keep populations of animals alive. So animals that might be threatened or endangered are bred in zoos. They live in family groups and they recognize each other by their sense of smell. He's very mobile, so he's moving around quite a bit. These guys are arboreal. They spend their entire lives up in trees, which makes them a vegetarian. He really likes his banana. They do have little sharp teeth in there for tearing up and biting. He loves to have his tail scratched. Unlike a lot of other lizard species, their tail is able to detach and help them get away from predators. So you can find Dash here at SeaWorld of Orlando. Throughout the day, we bring all of our ambassadors out into the park to meet our guests and interact with everybody that comes into the park.